Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to stop Icloud from reporting your device location. Start now. Open Settings and tap your name at the top so you access Apple ID controls. Make sure you know the Apple ID password and can receive the 2FA code Apple will ask. If Find My is enabled, you'll be asked to turn it off for this device. That's the key step. Once you enter credentials, the system allows location features to be toggled off and removes activation lock when appropriate. Next, go into Find My settings and switch off Find My device. You must confirm with your Apple ID password. You'll see a 2FA prompt if enabled. Enter the code to proceed. Once Find My is off, return to Privacy and Security Location Services to disable location services globally or adjust per app permissions. This two-step approach removes iCloud location while letting you control app-level tracking, so you disable broad tracking, but keep needed app functions if desired. Finish by restarting the device and checking settings to confirm Find My and location services are off. If the device still shows linked location or activation lock, sign out of iCloud entirely. Settings sign out, enter credentials, then restart. Make sure any associated devices don't re-enable sharing. If you can't turn off Find My because of password or 2FA problems, reset your Apple ID password or use Apple Account Recovery. Contact Apple support only if recovery fails, since they can verify ownership and remove activation lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.